So I asked AI why most people are broke, and honestly, the answer made me question everything I thought I knew about money. And before you click away thinking it's another just invest in crypto bro video, it's not. The AI didn't give me the usual advice. It gave me something way more uncomfortable. And if you stick around to the end, I'll tell you the exact step-by-step plan the AI said it would use if it suddenly became human tomorrow. But first, let me blow your mind with what it said about why you're probably struggling with money right now. The AI said something that honestly hurt my feelings a little bit. It said, most people aren't broke because they don't make enough money. They're broke because they're basically financial toddlers. And I know that sounds harsh, but hear me out. The AI explained it like this. Most people understand money the same way a 5-year-old understands a smartphone. They know how to use it, but they have zero clue how it actually works. You know how your little cousin can scroll through TikTok for hours, but can't explain how Wi-Fi works? That's most adults with money. They know money goes in, money goes out, but they don't understand the difference between assets and liabilities, or why their neighbor who makes less than them somehow has more stuff. But here's where it gets really spicy. The AI said there's something even worse than being financially illiterate, and it's the reason why people who do understand money still end up broke. It's called the looking rich versus being rich trap, and it's absolutely everywhere. The AI basically said we're all caught up in the world's most expensive cosplay. You know that meme where the guy's choosing between two buttons? That's literally everyone with money. Button 1, actually build wealth. Button 2, look wealthy on Instagram. And guess which button gets smashed? Every single time. The AI gave me this wild example. There are people out there buying $300 sneakers on credit cards while their savings account is crying with like $47 in it. They're literally paying interest to look like they have money they don't have. It's like wearing a fake Rolex to a job interview at McDonald's. Technically nobody's stopping you, but like, why? And social media has made this 10 times worse. Everyone's out here trying to match energy with influencers who literally get paid to look rich. It's like trying to keep up with the Kardashians when you work at Target. Respectfully, it's not going to happen. Now, the AI told me something that's going to make a lot of you mad, and I almost didn't include it in this video because it's kind of brutal. It said most people are addicted to being comfortable, and comfort is literally the enemy of wealth. Let me explain this because it's actually genius. You know how everyone says, follow your passion? The AI basically said that's terrible advice for making money. It's like telling someone to follow their passion for sleeping when they're trying to run a marathon. Here's the thing. The AI said humans are basically programmed to avoid discomfort. Learning new skills, uncomfortable. Starting a side hustle, uncomfortable. Investing money you could spend on something fun, super uncomfortable. So most people choose the safe option. They get a job, work 40 hours a week, come home tired, watch Netflix, repeat. And there's nothing wrong with that lifestyle if that's what makes you happy. But the AI pointed out something wild. Playing it safe is actually the riskiest thing you can do for your wealth. Think about it. If you never take calculated risks, you're basically guaranteed to stay exactly where you are financially. It's like staying in the kiddie pool your whole life because you're scared of the deep end, then wondering why you never learned to swim. But wait, because the AI said there's one thing that's even more important than being comfortable with risk. And this one actually shocked me. Leverage. And no, I don't mean borrowing money to buy crypto. The AI explained leverage like this. Imagine you're trying to move a massive boulder. You could spend all day pushing it with your bare hands, or you could get a lever and move it in 5 minutes. Most people are out here trying to move financial boulders with their bare hands. They're trading their time directly for money. Work 1 hour, get paid for 1 hour. But wealthy people, they use leverage. There are 4 types of leverage the AI mentioned. Financial leverage, using money to make more money. Skill leverage, learning rare skills that pay way more. Network leverage, knowing people who open doors. And system leverage, building something that works without you. The AI said if you never build leverage, your income is basically capped at whatever you can personally produce. It's like trying to win a race while everyone else has motorcycles and you're on foot. Technically possible, but good luck with that. Drop a comment and let me know. Which type of leverage do you think you need to work on most? Now, here's where it gets really interesting. I asked the AI,
If you woke up tomorrow as a broke human, what would you actually do? And the answer was not what I expected. The AI said it wouldn't start with investing or crypto or any of that stuff. It would start with something way more boring, getting really, really good at one specific skill that people actually pay for. And not just any skill, a skill with what the AI called high leverage potential. Things like digital marketing, copywriting, sales, video editing, coding. Basically skills where you can start freelancing quickly and your income isn't capped by your hours. The AI's plan was actually pretty simple. Get any job to cover basics, no ego, just survival. Spend every free moment learning one high-income skill, start freelancing that skill on the side, document the journey publicly to build a personal brand, eventually replace a day job with freelance income, then start building systems and investing the extra money. The AI said most people fail because they try to skip steps. They want passive income before they have any skills. It's like wanting to be a pro gamer without ever picking up a controller.
But here's the part that's going to trigger some of you. The AI said there are specific things it would absolutely never do, and some of them are probably things you're doing right now. The AI said it would never buy anything on credit that isn't an asset, chase get-rich-quick schemes, sorry crypto bros, try to keep up with other people's lifestyles, spend money to look successful before actually being successful. And here's the kicker. The AI said it wouldn't even think about buying luxury stuff until its assets were generating more than its lifestyle costs. Imagine that, actually being able to afford your lifestyle instead of just financing it. The AI also said something that hit different. Most people are busy but not productive. They confuse motion with progress. It's like running really fast on a treadmill and wondering why you're not getting anywhere. The brutal truth? The AI said if someone followed its exact plan, no shortcuts, no ego, just pure execution, they could realistically hit six figures within 2 to 3 years. Not because of luck or connections, but because they'd actually be building real leverage instead of just hoping for the best.
Look, I know this was a lot, and some of it probably stung a little. But here's the thing. The AI doesn't have feelings or biases or any reason to sugarcoat the truth. It just analyzed millions of data points about what actually works and what doesn't. And honestly, after hearing all this, I'm kind of inspired to stop making excuses and actually apply some of this stuff. The AI basically laid out a roadmap that anyone can follow. It's not easy, but it's simple. So let me know in the comments, which one of these AI insights hit the hardest? Are you team, this is brutal but true, or team, the AI doesn't understand real life? I read every comment, so don't hold back. And if you want more brutally honest takes from AI on psychology, money, and life, smash that subscribe button. I'm planning to ask AI about dating next, and trust me, those answers are going to be even more controversial than this. See you in the next one, and remember, the AI might not have feelings, but it definitely doesn't lie.